steel mill builds. Today we're setting the engine in the 23T bucket. I have everything leveled, the frame's leveled, the engine and transmission are leveled. Once we install the rear transmission mount and cross member, we're going to give it about 2 to 3 degrees of lift in the back. That'll give us a 3-degree offset for our pinion angle, which will align our drive shaft perfectly. So what I'm going to do today is make plates and brackets to attach the frame to the engine mounts on the block. And then we'll also build a straight cross member so that we can put a rubber mount in there. So stay tuned. We'll get started. Alright, I ran to the store. I got some motor mounts. They're just the Duralast rubber mounts. If they're too loose, I'll just change them to the energy suspension ones later. We're going to get them bolted in here. What we're going to do is bolt them in, and then we'll make a bracket off of the frame that will go between here and mount it up. So, okay, I cut out 4 of these plates, 1 for each side, front and rear. You see that's where that one's going to go. We're going to tack weld it inside the frame there. And then we have this piece of pipe that's going to go in the center to keep it from collapsing. So what I'm going to do is tack those in, front and rear, left and right. I'll tack this pipe on both sides, and then we're going to drill. We'll mark it and drill the hole through the center, and then we'll be able to drop everything and weld it full solid. Then we'll be able to drop everything and permanently mount it. All right? I'll bring you back in a little bit here. All right, here's our mounts, either side, tacked in. We got the engine lifted up. Now I'm just going to drill holes through it. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and weld around it and weld up and down, and we should be good to go. That's all it should need for motor mounts. That and a transmission mount. So, quick cardboard cutout, and away we go. Okay, mounts are in. The moment of truth comes up, because we're going to pull that bracket, that angle iron out of the front. You only move to touch. So, let's throw the headers on it and see where those sit. How about that? Here we go. What do we got here? I think that should be good. About 10 inches of clearance. Shouldn't have too much more travel than that. I think it's going to look pretty cool. Well, thanks for hanging out today. We'll see you next time. Bye.